He's going to hide behind the leaves. Oh, no.
Except after the dogs.
Yep.
Yeah, he's... You know, he might be getting a bit of comfort from all those other parakeets down there. Maybe that's why he likes this area.
Parakeet?
Oh, he's coming down.
Well, hello, pretty boy. Oh, I got a good look at you. Got all your undercarriage. Yes, sir. Pretty boy. Pretty boy. Just dropped also. Hi, what you doing? What are you doing up like that? Hello. 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 This is a good view where I am, Michael. Got the whole bird. Comes. Here he comes. Yeah, he knows there's food in that dish. Yeah. Oh boy, that's gonna be good.
Did he get down to get it?
Yeah, he's coming down. He's almost there. Now he is. Oh, you like the nut? Oh, good boy.
Well, I'll be darned.
Can you see him good night? Oh, that's what I find on the ground. Oh, he's gonna eat the orange now.
Yeah.
Where'd it go? I'll give him another one. Or...
There were two up there, and he took the one out. Oh, it's right there.
Let me see if he'll let me put it up here. I don't...
Pretty boy.
Yeah.
Another one.
He's not too excited about me being right there.
Well, he doesn't know you yet, but
Well, that, and I think now he's going away with his little orange. He's very happy with his little orange.
yeah.